You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Italian name, the name of this Italian fashion designer. If you want to learn more names from fashion design, especially Italian and French luxury brands, make sure to stay tuned. We got them all here for you. Italian pronunciation: Pierpaolo, Pierpaolo, with a stress on the pao syllable, Pierpaolo. Now his surname is particularly confusing, but it's easy. Piccioli, okay? Double C-I is pronounced like C-H-I or chi. Because you have a double C, you have to really stress on that ch sound. Piccioli, okay? Piccioli. So, Pierpaolo Piccioli is the Italian pronunciation. That is perfectly correct. And then in English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say Pierpaolo Piccioli. Pierpaolo Piccioli. You got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.